Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky. In today's video, we are going to solve one of most common interview problems. The problem name is product of array except self with an efficient approach that runs in big O of n time and uses big O of one extra space. But before we start, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Here we have been given an array of integers and our task here is to return a new array where each element is the product of all other elements except the one that index. And we can't use division. Plus the solution must run in linear time. Sounds like a challenge. So let's start. Here we have been given input and array name is nums and it contains 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 integers and output should be like for the place of 1 it should be 2 into 3 into 4. That means 24 and for the place of 2 it should be 1 into 3 into 4 that means 12 and for the place of 3 it should be 1 into 2 into 4 that means 8 and similarly for the place of 4 it should be product of all the three rest elements, right? To solve it in big O of n time and big O of 1 space complexity, we will solve this in three main steps using prefix and suffix products, but without creating new arrays for them. To implement this problem in Python, we will do it in three main steps using prefix and suffix products, but without creating new arrays for them. So let's start. Here I will create a variable called n that will be the length of nums array, and we will create one more array that will be like 1 star n. This will create an array of size n with every element in it as 1. Okay, and now we will create a prefix. Prefix will be 1 and for I in range of n, we will store prefix in each element of resulting array. Okay, and we will update it with the multiplication of rest of the numbers on left. Okay, and similarly we will create a variable called suffix and that will be also 1 and we will loop through it again and for I in range n minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 and then again we will store this suffix. Actually we will multiply elements of resulting array with suffix. So that's what we are doing, suffix, and the suffix will be updated as multiplication of rest of the numbers. Okay, so now here what we are doing is that we are multiplying it with the product of all elements to the right of index I, and this gives us the final answer, and now we will return the resulting array. Now let me try to run it and check if it works or not. As we can see here, it runs for our test case 1 and test case 2. So now I will try to submit it and check how does it perform. As we can see here that it beats our 74.49% of users with the time complexity and 54.01% in terms of memory. So like as we can see here that like our time complexity is big O of n because we are just passing 2 times through the array and space is big O of 1. It is using only extra space of big O of 1 because we are only using the output array. And that's it. And that's it for today's video, and you just learned how to solve product of array except self in the most optimized way. No division, linear time and constant space. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Python tutorials and interview tips. Drop a comment if you want a breakdown of any other tricky problem. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.